Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn off read receipt for Twitter direct messages on computer. So let's start. So let me minimize this file first, okay? So guys, first of all you have to open your web browser. I'm opening my Google Chrome. You can open any web browser of your choice like Firefox, Microsoft's Edge, etc. So let me open my Google Chrome and you can see guys it's opened. And after that you have to go to this website twitter.com and then log into your Twitter account. You can see I'm already logged into my Twitter account, and after that you have to click on this circle button with three dots in it. So let me click on that, and then you have to click on this settings and privacy. And after that guys you have to come to this settings section, and then you have to click on this privacy and safety. So let me click on that, and then you have to come to this direct messages section, and after that you have to scroll down, and here we have this show read receipts. You can see currently I have this option turned on. You can see the check mark next to this show read receipts, and you can see guys here we have this message. Let's read that. When someone sends you a message, people in the conversation will know when you have seen it. If you turn off this setting, you won't be able to see read receipts from others. And if you want to learn more about this feature, you can just click on this learn more link. So in order to turn off read receipt for Twitter direct messages, what you need to do, you have to uncheck this box next to this show read receipts. So let me click on that, and you can see it's now unchecked, and it's now done guys. After that you can go to your profile. So that's it. In this way you can easily turn off read receipt for Twitter direct messages on computer. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.